This is Jean Castillon from Retrospect JC. I am going to demo a Run Direct, which is the instant restore that we offer with our Retrospect virtual solution. So I am going to go into my customer view, and I can see that French customer has a few successful backups here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore this machine into another. This is the machine that I have backed up, and I'm going to restore this machine under that same location for as an instant restore. So I'm going to select the backup set to restore. I'm going to select the destination, and in that destination I'm going to go to the right date. So I have a few backups here, and I'm going to select the initial backup and select the machine. There we go, and I can see that I have some backup available here, and I'm gonna select the restore the virtual machine to an alternate location. I'm not gonna migrate into the initial machine. I'm gonna start it as a separate machine using Run Direct, which is the direct restore, instant restore. I need to then log into my vCenter, and so that's logging into vCenter with my credentials, and I should then have access to the whole vCenter, and I can select my location to restore that new machine. So logging in. So you can see it's retrieving all the information, and I'm going to restore that new machine as JC restore. JC. I'm going to call this Windows 7 English JC restore. I want to restore it to a different location, so I'm going to go and say specifically where I want this machine to be restored, and I'm going to select this area, desktop, for our location, and in here I'm going to select a different host. So currently it's our Hawkeye, and I'm going to go into our Chase host, into our 64-bit cluster. Okay. I am now going to select the resource pool that I want to mount or restore the machine to, and I'm going to say in here I'd like to go into our demo resource pool. There we go. And finally, I need to select the storage where I'm gonna restore the machine, and I'm gonna select the storage, our Chase storage 4. Next, this is where I'm gonna the folder I'm gonna use to restore those files. It is now running a few instructions, and before it gives me a final confirmation, so that is the beginning of the restore process, because I have defined the location, and it's just gonna ask me at some point confirmation for restoring I think it's called a UUID. There we go. Continue to restore virtual machine into yes, I do want to do that. And that's the restore process. Mount restore. You can see here there's some activity going on into my vCenter. There's the machine. The machine is here available. Adding virtual machine to the inventory. We are 48 seconds, 50 seconds into the process. It's mounting it now, taking a snapshot, and restored successfully. Close. That was my Run Direct, and you can see here that I've got this machine. I'm now gonna open this machine, power it on, and it might ask me to start as a safe mode or not. Okay, I'm just going to start it as Windows, start Windows normally, which I have. Sorry, hit the key now. Oh, sorry, I didn't hit the key. I have now. And it's now starting Windows successfully. So you can now see that my machine is starting. I have restored. This is me logging in now to this machine. And it has restored instantaneously, like within a minute, my new machine called Windows 7 English JC Restore. That was Run Direct Restore with Retrospect Virtual Edition. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.